Hey guys, so I'm back with these acid rave nails, and if you want to know how I did these, keep watching. So I started off with painting all of my nails white, and then I applied a glossy top coat and waited 20 minutes for that to harden. And while that was drying, I applied a cuticle guard around my nail, which is just liquid latex. And then with a bright yellow Sharpie, I'm just applying that directly onto the nail. And then with a brush that I don't care about, with isopropyl alcohol, I'm just rubbing it to dilute the Sharpie. And here I am just going in with the pink Sharpie. I'm just filling it on my nail. And then I'm doing a green Sharpie at the bottom. Just drawing on my nail like I don't care. And then just going back in with that brush and isopropyl alcohol. And just blending the colours until I'm happy with what it looks like. Make sure you use a brush you don't care about, otherwise it's going to stain. And I just kept going in with Sharpie and rubbing alcohol until I'm happy with what I got. And then after I remove the liquid latex, I'm just applying a top coat. Now here I should have used a water-based top coat, but I couldn't find mine at all in my collection, so I had to use a normal one. So here I am with my Moe London Pro, can't remember what number it is off the top of my head. I just stamped this funky pattern in black and stamped that directly onto my nail, so that a Sharpie base underneath looks great. And then with a piece of sticky tape, I'm just removing some stamping polish that hasn't dried properly yet. It's a little sneaky tip for you for stamping. And then with a brush and acetone, I'm just cleaning up around my nail. And then once I was happy with that, I just applied a smudge resistant top coat. And there you go, these Sharpie acid rave nails. I think these are really funky and I loved how they turned out. The only problem is, because I didn't use a water-based top coat, the Sharpies are not as bright as they should be. So that's a note for you if you were to do these nails. If you like these, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And subscribe are good. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!